Alright y'all, so in this video we're gonna be installing the floor for the greenhouse. So alright, so let's start with the type of flooring that I wanted. I found the woven. This is the one I wanted. If y'all watched when I went to Lowe's, it would have been the video before this one. I was looking for this particular one and they didn't have it. They had the one, I call it like a cloth type one. I did not want that one. The woven one is more like maybe like a plastic or something like that, and that's the one I wanted. So I had to go to two different Tractor Supplies. They only had one. So this is a 4 feet by 100 feet thing roll of the weed barrier fabric, the woven one. Okay, all right, so the greenhouse itself is a 20 by 10 by 7. All right, so this is a 4 by 100 fabric or whatever. It was more than enough. All right, it was more than enough. So I have a lot left over to possibly do the whole floor again if I have to. But yeah, so here we are putting it under the bars, okay, and then gonna roll it back. Excuse me while I'm editing this video. I'm having some allergies going on, so I sound like a man. I sound kind of hoarse. It's early morning, okay, that I'm editing this video. But yeah, so we're gonna just roll it back, all right, and then gonna go through, try to make sure everything is straight. I did want it on the outside of the side bars too, so it'll be more, I guess you could say, more stable. I didn't want it to, when you walk on it, it was easy to just pull to the side or whatnot. So there was trying to push it through the bar. Oronde was raising it up a little bit, but then end up anyway having to send my son around there to pull it from the other side. Okay, that way we can make sure there was enough on the outside of the bar, so if it did shift, it didn't shift and like uncover everything before we could staple it, or you know, during the walking back and forth or bringing stuff. I just like to have a little extra on the outside. Now this woven fabric thing, to me, is a lot more tougher, and the water eventually does drain out of it, off from it or whatever. But the good thing about where we put the greenhouse, yes, it may look different because it's on like a slope, but that actually helped, because when watering, the excess water actually goes downhill and can drain out even better. Okay, so we're putting the second row of fabric there, and you see my son had it going sideways a little bit, but we got it fixed. So we put one on each side, and then I cut it. Make sure you cut a good amount of it from the end, so I have a good amount hanging over. Okay, that's my main thing. I did not want to cut it right there and then it wasn't enough, or like I say, when you start moving, then you know it's pulling and sliding out, because we don't want to backtrack, y'all. Don't want to backtrack. I hate backtracking. I'd rather just get it done the first time the right way. That way you know you ain't gotta backtrack. So also to stake these down, I'm using lawn pins. What are they? Landscaping pins, y'all. The metal U-shaped like pins. I'm using landscaping. I couldn't even get it. So now we put the last piece down the center. I am cutting it right there, and then it's gonna be on for stapling everything down. Okay, it is important that you pull it tight so you don't have no droopiness or anything like that. I don't want no slack in it. Slack is the word I'm trying to say. So now that it's all down, I am about to just go through it and clamp all around. Like, I put a lot of pins down. I didn't think I had enough, because when I sent Oronde into Lowe's to get them, I told him to get the 25 count. When I was putting those pins in there, I'm like, wait a minute, this bag seems like it's heavier and heavier. I know I didn't use 25 count, and I look, he ended up getting the 75. I'm like, I thought I told you to get the 25, trying to save a few coins. And he's like, I wanted to make sure you had all of them that you were gonna need, because he already knew that I was gonna sit over here and take 25 take 25 and think that I can put 100 of them down. But yeah, so I'm happy about that, because I ended up needing more than 75. Well, needing not more than 75, but more than 25. Okay, so I pinned that thing, I stuck that thing down real good. Okay, some areas it was kind of hard, so I used my feet to push it in, but I got that thing on there really good. Alright y'all, so got the floor done. Oh my goodness, so all we gotta do is get bricks, and we're gonna go along the outside of it. But let me show y'all something. This is what I wanted to show y'all. This particular greenhouse has a screen to it. So when I go in it, I unzip this right here, all right, and go in it on both sides. So I'm gonna close it up. Close it up, okay, on both sides. So and this video is not sponsored or anything, so this is something that Oronde surprised me with, and let me show y'all the screen part. So alright y'all, so instead of unzipping the outside, I will unzip the center like that. Like this. And then roll this up. So while we still have these days where it's still warm, I can be in the inside, or even in the evening time, I can be out here working on stuff and get airflow, because there's a screen. Because there's a screen. So I take y'all in. Alright. So I take y'all in like this. Whew. Close it up. And I still can see out, because it's a screen, and it has 4 windows on each side, and from the outside I roll it up and there's a screen. So this greenhouse has 8 windows, and you have a back door. You can roll this side up and get more airflow too. I'm gonna leave it down because I'm gonna block this part off. So yeah, this is a huge greenhouse. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. Yeah, and we bought some woven landscaping fabric. I didn't want that cloth stuff, so we bought this. This was like $50 at Tractor Supply for 4 feet by 100 feet, and as you can see, it was enough. It was enough. We even got some left over. Got a good bit left over. That's just dirt, but you can see got a good bit left over, so that was enough to do it. But yeah, so let's walk around. Still got some more stuff to do. Definitely got to get this. See, gonna brick all this. Got to be careful because that's a stake right there. Plus around they put some extra stakes. He had some heavy duty stakes of his own, so he did put some heavy duty stakes on here too, just to make it more secure. But we definitely gonna brick the bottom or whatnot. So he's working on that side. I'm gonna brick the back. So that's gonna be buying bricks to make sure it's very stable and everything. So yeah, y'all. So it's gonna be moving in. I haven't decided how and what else, but I am so excited, y'all. It is more to come. Okay, more to come. Oh my goodness, get out. No, Summer, I love you, but no ma'am. Cause Summer been on summer program lately. So Summer come in here and poop in here, I will have a fit. Okay, and she know better. She, you know, she trained, but she been on her own program. Like, she jealous of the cat, y'all. That's her problem. She jealous of the cat. So yeah. All right, y'all. So it's gonna be more to come. Got so much more to come. This is, you know, building up. I ain't gonna say building up. Let's see. Adding to the homestead is what it is. Adding to. I got so much that's coming for y'all. Why start in the spring? No, that's just wasted time. Start now, okay? Because we need it now. Start now. So yeah, that's my motto. So like I said earlier, he got me a heater, fan for circulation, and thermometer, and a drip irrigation system. Okay, so stay with me as we, you know, do different things. Got more videos coming, got a whole lot of stuff coming, y'all. It's going to be a lot going on, trust me. Okay, a lot going on. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that your girl uploads a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's your will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time, bye.